Welcome to Babel Point. If you are new to this channel, you can learn basic and advanced vocabulary in context using Evernote. This video consists of 10 English sentences carefully taken from the Tatoeba project. To help you with the pronunciation of the sentences, we show you their phonetic transliteration using the International Phonetic Alphabet. We will carry out a morphological analysis of each word in these sentences so that you can keep track of all these words you learn or have already learned. New words are in green bold color and get a unique identification number, prefixed with a 2-letter language code. Morphological changes of a word are in orange color. Listen and repeat the following 10 English sentences.
These are the English sentences from 161 to 170. This amount includes tax. This amount includes tax. This amount includes tax. This amount includes tax. The money was divided among the three. 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 I like reading American novels. 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 He is always punctual. He is always punctual. He is always punctual. He is always punctual. His speech was not altogether bad. 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 He is also studying Chinese. He is also studying Chinese. He is also studying Chinese. He's also studying Chinese. She is already sleeping. She is already sleeping. She's already sleeping. She's already sleeping. We walked slowly along the road. 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 Are you going out anywhere? 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 My apartment is a mess. My apartment is a mess. My apartment is a mess. My apartment is a mess.
And now listen and repeat the sentences again, but this time without seeing them on the screen. Try to understand them.
These are the English sentences from 161 to 170. This amount includes tax. This amount includes tax. This amount includes tax. This amount includes tax. The money was divided among the three. 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 I like reading American novels. 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 He is always punctual. He is always punctual. He is always punctual. He is always punctual. His speech was not altogether bad. 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 He is also studying Chinese. He is also studying Chinese. He is also studying Chinese. He's also studying Chinese. She is already sleeping. She is already sleeping. She's already sleeping. She's already sleeping. We walked slowly along the road. 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 Are you going out anywhere? 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 My apartment is a mess. My apartment is a mess. My apartment is a mess. My apartment is a mess.
Each sentence has a link to the Tatoeba project where you can find its translations in multiple languages. If there's no translation into your native language, please consider joining the Tatoeba project and offer a translation. You can download this note into your Evernote account for free. Find a link in the video description. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel. Like the video and click the notification button. See you in our next video. Bye bye.